Hey everybody, Apple just released the new hearing features for the new AirPods Pro 2. We just did the hearing test, check it out. Awesome, I'm gonna pop these guys in. So test your hearing. So we'll get started. It's asking for some details. It just got really quiet. Asking me to adjust the position. It's gonna check the fit of each ear. The fit is good. The test will play tones at different volumes and frequencies. During the test, listen carefully and tap the screen each time you hear a tone. Left ear is done, right ear is next. The testing is done. Let's see the results. Left ear is little to no loss, and right ear is little to no loss. I think that's good.